In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Market Profile on Thinkorswim. By the end, you'll have the TPO-based Market Profile on your chart and know exactly how to tailor it to your trading style. Start by opening the Thinkorswim desktop platform and head to the Charts tab. Pull up the symbol and time frame you want to analyze. The Market Profile will use whatever period your chart is displaying, so pick something that matches your goals, whether that's intraday analysis or a broader view. Next, right-click anywhere on the chart and choose Studies, then Add Study. In the window that opens, scroll through the list or use the search bar to find TPO Profile. When you see TPO Profile, select it to add it to your chart. This study visualizes how much time price spent at different levels across the period you're viewing. It builds a distribution of price acceptance and automatically calculates key reference points. The point of control, which is the price level with the most activity. The value area high and value area low, which bracket the range where most of the trading occurred. And a histogram that shows how active each price level was. With the study added, click the small gear icon next to TPO Profile to open its settings and customize it. The first key setting is Time per Profile. This determines how the platform groups the data into profiles. Choose bar, minute, day, or another interval depending on your workflow. For example, a daily profile will create one distribution for each trading day, while minute-based profiles are helpful if you want to break intraday action into finer segments. Next, adjust row height for price levels. This controls the price increment used to stack the TPOs. A smaller row height gives you more detail and a smoother-looking distribution, but it can add visual density. A larger row height simplifies the profile, which can be easier to read at a glance. You can also decide whether to highlight the POC and the value areas. Turning on these highlights makes the most active price level and the primary value zone stand out clearly, which can help you quickly spot where the market has been most accepted. Once your preferences are set, click Apply, then OK to save your changes and return to the chart. Take a moment to zoom and pan so you can see how the profile aligns with recent price action. If the display feels too busy or too sparse, reopen the gear and fine-tune the time per profile or row height until it matches your needs. That's all it takes to set up Market Profile on Thinkorswim.